Well, the big issue right now is the lake level. Lake Ontario is almost 247 and a half feet. And with this new International Joint Commission plan, the 2014 plan, it can go upwards of another foot higher. We've already seen a lot of erosion and flooding going on. It's going to be bad for infrastructure as well as the people that live along the lakeshore. So I'm asking our federal officials to address this issue, come up with a better agreement, or we're going to have even worse problems going forward.